Hello guys, I'm Harry Quiz to tell you in these tutorials how to roll back or downgrade iOS on any iPhone device. As we know that in a case your iPhone is not recommending to a downgrade, however, of course, I will show you a clue in this tutorial. You can downgrade an iOS according to your own initialization without losing any data or without data loss. Is it possible? This can be possible. How it is? Let's see. Firstly, we will check it out. This is possible or not. So in that context, just we will tap on a special setting. Setting to, of course, we will have to the command general. So let's click on here. Now we will have to check it out by clicking on a software update, and now it has started to check it out. Is there any opportunity? Then of course, definitely I would downgrade it. So still it's checking, and upon now see here it has recommended that of course if you would like to go for from beta version to iOS 18.3.1, this can be possible. Otherwise, of course, if you would like to have the beta version, if I enable here, then of course we have a public beta and developer beta, that is iOS 18, that's all. But we are not going to do here. Yes, we will back it, and upon of course here we will once again click on a special software update, and we will check it out. Here, as we know that there is no possible to downgrade from iOS 18.3.1 to 18.1 or 18.0, or maybe of course on 17 iOS. How can I reset? Yes, this can be. Just go for an administrations, and that is a 3U tool, and upon just connect your data cable from your iPhone device to a PC. So this iPhone has been connected. Now if I be here, then click on a smart flash, click on a to refresh options, and upon of course you will have to download IPSW or firmware actually that you want to downgrade. So it's trying to configure that, of course, by having database configurations. Of course it will recommend to you to downgrade what's iOS should do in a comparison with especially this iOS 18.3.1. so this is a 18.3.1. now 18.3 RC 1 point we have reducted. Now 18.3 2 points. Of course, if I rest here, if I go for download directly, and upon after downloading we will have to select retain user data. Don't select quick flash mode, guys. Don't select anti-recovery flash mode, otherwise you are going to lose your data. So, and in the midst of that any error will come, then we'll go with this one. So here retain user data, apps and application, any kinds of data would be retained on your iPhones without losing data. So we will select the this one. For example, this one I have downloaded. I would like to switch on 18.3, not on 18.3.1. so just I had it downloaded. Now we will go for by selecting this one, and we will hit this one. So if we hit, then of course everything will be minimized and it will start to show. Simple strategy. We will hit this one on here, and now see it will ask to that if you have of course if you want to I'm the backup, so then of course you can go for spontaneously. If you have of course if you want fixed battery health during the flash, and then of course we will enable. But of course there is a more than 50% battery here, check it out, of course. So you cannot enable and disable automatically, it will be fixed. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Just we will hit this one and it will start. So for the main inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. Pleasure remains to reply your the query, guys. And this is all about in this tutorial. Now we will start to the flash it. So let's hit this one, and thank you for visiting a technological fair, guys. Thank you very much.